Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So guys, today I'm gonna be taking you all the way to India because I love Indian food because it's so spicy and I love me some spicy food. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I make chicken masala. Chicken masala is one of my favorite Indian dishes because it's so savory and it's so delicious and yet so easy to make. All my Indian friends, please do not crucify me. I know this may not be the way your mom makes it, but this is how I make it. So if you want to learn how I make my chicken masala, then just keep watching. And while you're watching guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, leave comments down below and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done that already, please do so right now. And guys, if you love this video, please share with your friends and your family and keep checking back to see what I have to post. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.
So we're gonna start off by making some marinade for our chicken using some plain yogurt, some coriander, some chili powder, turmeric, smoked paprika, garam masala, minced garlic, ginger, the juice of half a lemon, and some salt. So now I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my marinade, making sure all that spicy goodness is mixed into the yogurt. Guys, the yogurt does a very good job of tenderizing the meat and making it taste really good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken breast that I already cut up, and I'm gonna stir this up to make sure every piece of that chicken is covered with the marinade. So cover this with a saran wrap and let it marinate for at least an hour or overnight. So now I have a pan. I'm gonna add some oil to my hot cast iron skillet and I'm gonna go ahead and cook my chicken. So guys, keep tossing and turning your chicken because the aim is to get the chicken browned on every side without burning it. Okay, nobody wants to eat a burnt piece of chicken, so be careful guys. Keep turning it and make sure you don't burn your chicken. So guys, I am gonna cook this for about 4 minutes because my chicken cutlets are really small, but it depends on how large your chicken pieces are. So after about 4 minutes, my chicken cuts are perfectly cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop this off the pan. Guys, you can see that in my pan I have some burnt marinade. Just go ahead and scoop it up. It's fine. Just scoop it up, or you can leave it in there, but I don't like leaving it there, so I'm gonna take out some of it and add some butter to that same pan and some oil to make sure the butter does not get burnt. So just a squirt of oil in there to make sure the butter doesn't get burnt, and I'm gonna use this to saute my onions. So after about a minute or so of rapidly turning these onions and working out my biceps in the process, I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic and my ginger. I'm adding it at this point because I did not want it to get burnt. So I'm gonna saute this for 1 more minute, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add a chocolate of spices. It's written there guys, I can't tell you everything, it's right there. So I've added all my spices and I'm gonna turn this just for 30 seconds to allow the spices to cook and release their oils and let the flavors intensify. And at this point I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomato sauce. Guys, I'm using tomato sauce, but you can go ahead and use your fresh crushed tomatoes. I was being lazy and I chose the tomato sauce because it makes life easy, okay? It cuts down my cooking time by about 1/3. So, but you can use whatever you want to use. It's your food, it's your choice. Do what you're gonna do. So now that I've added my tomato sauce, I'm gonna go ahead and add my cream. I love me some cream, so I'm adding a lot of cream. So the amount of cream you add depends on how creamy you want this to be. So I added a chocolate of cream because I love it creamy. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken back into the pot. Turn this really good and let this simmer for about 5 minutes so that all the flavors will come together into one amazing deliciousness. Guys, I'm telling you, it smells and tastes so good. So now I'm adding my parsley because I love parsley. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and add some more parsley just to show you that I really do love parsley. So stir this up guys, turn the heat off and serve this deliciousness over some steamed rice. I have me some rice, some naan bread, and some samosas because guys, today I'm taking it all the way to India because I love Indian food. So I'm dishing this on my steamed basmati rice because you know it's so good. And more parsley guys, just in case you didn't get it, I love parsley. So now I'm gonna taste this to see how wonderful it is, and it tastes so good. So now I'm gonna use my naan bread because this is my favorite way to eat this, with my naan bread. So now guys, it tastes really good. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please leave comments in the comment section down below and let me know if there's a way to make this better. And guys, share this video, like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please do so right now. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.